which means that some people have buttons on the front of their phone. It's called a home button on the older version of the iPhone. Others, we have no buttons on there. It's just all screen. So on the new.
So you want to turn the phone on and off? Okay. So there's a button right here on the right. You press that button.
Okay,
And then-
that puts it on?
No.
No.
You press that button along with this middle button on the left side here. You press them both together and hold it. And you see that?
Yeah.
Then you swipe that way to turn the phone off. Now I'm gonna have
Slide
you do
what?
it. Slide this button right
That
here.
over?
Oh, right. So I'm gonna have you do it. So go ahead and hold
Now
that button and hold this. There's a middle button right there. Hold them together. Hold it. Yes. And then you press that, slide that off over. Yes. Now the phone is turning off.
How are you?
I learned how to swap calls. I learned how to answer a call coming in and get back to the person that I was talking to.
Fantastic. So you learn how to merge a call too.
I
didn't you?
learned how to merge a call. Yes, very interesting.
Oh, fantastic. And what method did you think for this instructional course?
I'm using the pushing the right button.
I learned how to answer the phone and make a phone call and hang up. And I saw call waiting and some other things. I hope I can do all those later on. It's excellent course.